welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing something short, something sweet, and unfortunately an end of summer makeup look. I feel like this makeup look can still be worn during the colder months, but this pink that I'm about to show y'all is everything, sis. So let's get into it. I'm excited. So I cannot believe summer is about to end, y'all. Like, I am kind of ready for it to be over with, but I'm kind of not. Like, I've been loving my hot girl summer, sis. I don't know about you, but I've been lit. I've been pretty lit. So I've been enjoying my hot girl summer. So I guess I'm getting ready for a Tina Snow, you know. Y'all know I love Megan Thee Stallion. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and prime the face. I am using my Mary Kay foundation primer with SPF. So I'm actually recreating this makeup look, by the way, you guys. I wore this when I went out this weekend, but I'm recreating it. So of course I do want some sort of SPF because it is daytime, if you guys can't tell. So we need SPF, sis. But y'all, I am ready for the weather change. Like, I'm kind of ready, but then I'm kind of not. Let me know if you're confused too, because I don't know how I feel at this point. I feel like summertime is so fun. You wear your short shorts, you can wear your cute crop tops, but the wintertime, you get out the badass coats, you got the leather jacket, your motor jacket, sis, and your jeans with the boots. You be cute. So I love summer as much as I love winter too. I don't like to be too cold or too hot. I wish it could just stay fall all year round, and that would be perfect for me. So now that the face is primed, we're going to move on to foundation. So for foundation, I am using my L'Oreal Infallible. I love this foundation for when it starts to cool off, especially like more so during fall and winter. It's beautiful. The coverage is amazing. I have not worn this in a minute, but I'm just going to go ahead and wear it today. And then of course I'm just taking my favorite e.l.f. foundation brush. This is the Ultimate Blending Brush, and we're just going to blend this into the skin. So for my concealer, I just use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. You guys, this concealer gives so much coverage, and the color on it is just everything. And I also like that it's super mattifying because I just need like mateness in my T-zone area, you guys, because I get super oily throughout the day. So I love this concealer, and I love the way that it wears throughout the day. So next, of course, I'm going to set underneath my eyes and down my nose. So I'm going to use my Mary Kay translucent powder. This powder is amazing, you guys. I still have not done the flash test yet. I actually have been forgetting to do it, but I have been wearing this powder. I'm dropping stuff everywhere. But yeah, I have literally been wearing this powder a whole lot. So hopefully when I finish filming this video, hopefully we can go ahead and do that test, just to make sure that it doesn't leave any flashback. Because it is such a white powder, but it's so finely milled, I doubt that it will leave flashback. But I always like to test out anything lighter that I'm putting on my face in pictures, just so, you know, I won't get caught slipping, sis. We're gonna go ahead and set the face, and of course we are using the Soft Focus powder by Black Radiance. Y'all know this is my jam. And for the summer, I have decided to switch over to the milk chocolate, which is kind of like a more chocolatey-er, warmer kind of shade. It has more red undertone in it. So I have been just using this one for the summer months. And then to warm up my skin even more, I'm just going to take this Milani bronzer. Well, it's actually a powder, but I have been using this like crazy. And I'm just going to use it to bronze up my skin a little bit. Y'all, bronzer has literally become my favorite. Like, look at this bronzer. girl, it's beautiful. It's lit. So I don't know what's going on with this video, y'all. I had to turn on some lights, turn off some lights. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully the lighting isn't too crazy, but I think I got it under control now. It's been such a long time since I filmed you guys. I'm like, do I keep that light on? Do I turn that light off? I'm over here confused. So bear with me. Okay, moving on to blush. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. blush palette right here. I have been using this for years, you guys. Lately I've been mixing these two shades together, this peachy shade with this beautiful mauve wine pink shade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this blush. And lately I haven't been putting it on the apples of my cheeks. I've kind of just been putting it right up in here, just literally right on top of the bronzer. And then whatever's left, I will kind of drag on my actual cheek. But for the most part, I've been just kind of keeping it kind of high. I guess I kind of learned this trick. Like if you want a more slimmer face, you'll kind of make sure you apply the blush a little bit higher in this area, as opposed to like like it will make your face look more snatched, sis. You guys, highlighter. I have been wearing highlighter a little bit recently. For a minute I was like, you know what, and you know, highlighter and it's doing too much. I feel like I've been wearing it recently more so at nighttime, because sometimes my face doesn't get as oily as it does in the daytime. At nighttime, if that makes sense. So I've been wanting a little bit of a glow. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, just on the tip of my nose. And we forgot to snatch the nose, so let's bring it back. Let's rewind, let's take it back. So because I don't have my actual powder that I normally use, I'm just gonna take some of this powder right here. Just to kind of give me a little something. Normally I use my L'Oreal powder, but you know, I have been doing the most throughout this video, like the lighting, like sit down sis and get it together. So moving back to the highlighter, I was using the Maybelline Master Chrome, and I'm just gonna apply just a little bit in this area right there. That's literally all I'm applying, tapping a little bit right there, and then we're just gonna work that in, blend it up, down, out. Just make sure it's blended, sis. I mean, I also feel like if you have a lot of breakouts or a lot of texture on your skin, you don't want to emphasize those areas or bring attention to those areas. So kind of just skip out on the highlight on those areas of your face where you're kind of breaking out. Because a minute ago I had like some breakouts up in here. My skin has gotten so much better, you guys. And I wasn't doing highlighter because I'm like, sis, we don't want nobody to see that. Like we don't want to bring no attention to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. And to spray my face, I'm using the Mary Kay makeup finishing spray, because the face is pretty much done. We just have to do the eyes and the lips. Moving on to the eyes. Now when I wore this makeup look this weekend, you guys, I wore no eyeshadow. I just strictly focused on the lips. But because I'm feeling a little extra today, today is Monday, and Mondays are usually very sluggish for me, but today is going very well. We'll apply a little eyeshadow, sis. We'll do a little something, okay? All right, so I'm taking my Mary Kay palette and I'm going in with this shade right here, which is called Cinnabar. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this in my crease. And we're literally just gonna keep this color right in the crease. And once we put the lashes on, you guys, it's gonna look like we have a whole eye look going on. Like the lids are gonna look a little lighter. It's going to be a little definition in the crease area. Just watch. I never apply eyeshadow after I've done my makeup, like my face makeup. I always do my face first. But when I tell you these Mary Kay eyeshadows, like I'm telling you, I did a whole smoky eye the other day. If you watch my vlog where I had on the white, or if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook where I had on the white dress, I literally did that makeup look, you guys, like the eyeshadow after my face. no fallout with the freaking smoky eye. So you let me know when you can do a smoky eye without having fallout with your makeup on, with no eye pads. Let me know. Now, lash time. So for lashes, I am going to be wearing these E11 lashes from AliExpress. Y'all already know I love my AliExpress lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these off camera and then we'll be back. Lashes are on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my bottom, my waterline with some Mary Kay Lash Intensity Mascara. Everything that I am mentioning, you guys, let me get a mirror before I've been and mess myself up. But everything that I am mentioning, you guys, I will have it linked below so that you can purchase. I love the way this mascara makes my lashes look. It's crazy. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my mole, my little beauty mark. Get this together. Y'all, I had to put y'all on hold real quick. That was my boo calling. Give me a minute and I'll be back. My boo was calling. Do you feel me? If y'all watch my vlogs, y'all know how I feel about my little boo. But anyway, so do y'all see what I was talking about? Like the eyes, like it literally looks like I have on eyeliner, like a lighter color shadow on my lid, something in the crease. Like it makes me look like I have on a whole makeup look. One eyeshadow. One eyeshadow. That's all you need, sis. So we're gonna move on to the lips because I am super excited about the lips, you guys. The lips, I mean, it's the lips for me. Let me show you. Starting off with NYX, this is their suede lip liner. This one is not really my favorite, but the one that I used the other day, you guys, I lost it. It's by Mary Kay. I will link it. Their lip liners are bomb.com. I'll link it just in case you guys want to purchase. Lip liner is what you need. So now I'm taking Mary Kay Semi Matte Lipstick in the shade Powerful Pink. This beautiful pink shade. So this is what the lip looks like. It's super gorgeous, just like this, you guys. The lip liner is everything. The lipstick is everything. Super comfortable, not drying on the lips or anything like that. But I was wanting a pinker, like a brighter pinker. A brighter pinker? A brighter pinker lip, basically. So I didn't have it, so I had to improvise. So you guys, I picked this up maybe like a year or two ago from Walmart. This is the Wet n Wild Ghostly Beings lipstick. So basically it's the Wet n Wild Mega Lash lipsticks just in the shade white. Be on the lookout, you guys, because this Wet n Wild lipstick is in Walmart around this time because it's around Halloween time and everybody wants some crazy fun makeup. So you will always need a white lipstick just in case you want to brighten up a lipstick or make a lip color that you don't have. Sis, wait a minute. Y'all, the lip was so bomb, it was just crazy. And you don't need a whole lot at all. Let me do my magic tricks. I mean, for $1, you can literally create you a whole nother lipstick, like a whole nother look. This is bomb, y'all, and the pink in my shirt, girl, it goes along great. So y'all, this is pretty much the final look. This is the look that I wore the other night, you guys. Super beautiful, super gorgeous. I have noticed that you guys have been liking more natural looking makeups, makeup videos, and so have I. They're so much quicker, so much more easier, and still fun. So if you guys like videos like this, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Y'all remember to be blessed. Y'all be safe. And I will see you guys in my next video.